Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo balance. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add your money to your Venmo balance. It is quite easy. I'm going to be using the feature of bank transfer, so you can do that as well. So first what you have to do is click on the icon and then click on payment method. Once you do that, here you have to add your bank or your credit card. So I'm just going to add a bank. So here once you click on bank option, you have to enter your bank details, and once you have connected bank to your Venmo balance, what you can do is then open your Venmo application once again. So here once the bank details are verified, you can add money to your Venmo balance. So here what you have to do is open the Venmo application and you can see your profile icon. Click over here and click on add money. Then choose the amount that you want to add to your Venmo balance. And once you have done that, just click on next button. And once you do that, you have to click on add money. Once you click on add money, your amount will be added to your Venmo balance. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to add money to your Venmo balance. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.